So it's been a really positive experience for the patients who've had cataract surgery with PanOptix. They've been very happy. They really haven't had to use any kind of a spectacle correction as far as distance, intermediate, and near. And they just feel like they can go back to normal activities even from when they were much, much younger, before they started to need reading glasses. So what's been the response from my patients with PanOptix? They've been very happy with the lens. They feel that the cataract surgery not only gave them back their distance vision, but also their intermediate. They can drive, they can look at their dashboard, they can look at their phone, they can see their ways up on their dashboard when they're looking for directions for where to go when they're driving. They can use their laptop, go to work without having to reach for their reading glasses. They've been truly very happy with the lens implant. So the PanOptix is still a multifocal lens, so it's still important to sit down and have conversations with the patients about their expectations with the lens. Nothing is 100% perfect. However, the technology and the enlightened technology that the PanOptix lens offers is able to also give distance, intermediate, and near vision with the lowest amount of issues with contrast sensitivity and glare and halos. So I feel that the strong response in the US to the introduction of the PanOptix lens is that it's the first one of its kind. So I think it's partially excitement, partially curiosity, and I think that a lot of cataract and refractive surgeons want to be able to offer their patients more and more. So I think that having a trifocal lens versus a bifocal or even an EDOF offers that new exciting experience for our patients. So why surgeons are excited about having a new trifocal lens in the US? Again, I think that it offers a whole range of vision rather than having to settle for either distance and near or intermediate and distance and not being able to fully satisfy all of your patient's needs. So by having distance, intermediate, and near options available for your patients, you really are minimizing the need for glasses for either intermediate or a near distance for their patients. So for Medicare reimbursement from personal experience with the PanOptix lens, as you know, it is a multifocal lens. It's considered a premium technology, so it is not reimbursed by Medicare, but it is part of the refractive surgeon's armamentarium of a premium service that they can offer their patients, and it is extra reimbursement for the surgeon doing the surgery. So I'm just really excited to see the results of how more and more of these patients do with these new technology lenses, especially the PanOptix. I know at our practice we're doing a big study on results for our patients who are going through surgery with PanOptix lenses from different surgeons and different techniques, and we're all just seeing very good results so far. So I'm just excited to see how they all do going forward. So as far as a personal experience with a patient who had PanOptix, I actually had a fairly young patient who developed cataracts early on in life, and he was just devastated that his vision was so blurry from his cataracts. And otherwise, his eyes were relatively healthy. He didn't have any retinopathy, no glaucoma. And so we discussed the option of using PanOptix for his cataract surgery, and he was super excited with the idea of being able to do everything after his cataract surgery. And even after he had his first eye done, he said he went to a concert the next night and he was covering one eye and covering the other eye, and he was like, oh, it was amazing. I could see everything. I could look at my phone. I could see the stage. And then when he had his other eye done about a week later, he was just like, this is just it. He was just so happy with it.